Hey guys, it's Lightning Ben Acosta with Lightning Striking and Conditioning. Welcome back to another video. Don't forget to subscribe for all of your boxing, kickboxing, Muay Thai, and Kempo karate, or just traditional karate style techniques. Come learn. If this stuff is above you right away, if you feel like it's too much going on and you don't understand it, I have a course that's for beginners and intermediate people who are interested. Please let me know. I'll put an email underneath in the description and you can email me directly. Get into the video today. Today's video, we are going to talk about the difference between a karate style front snap kick and a kickboxing or Muay Thai style front push kick. So I'm going to start off with the front snap kick. Not really going to break down the whole kick. If you want to learn it, like I said, I have a course, you can check it out there. But I'll just break down the small differences. So on your front snap kick, in my style, we like to teach it with a pivot first so that you're already lined up and squared up to your opponent. You fold, you extend, there's 4 parts to this kick. Fold, extend, recoil, set down. Notice how I am using the ball of the foot like I was standing on my tiptoes. My toes are curled back, but I have a gas pedal action going in that ankle. You need to make sure that ankle's strong. You're going to deliver with that ball of the foot. I like to target the solar plexus, just a very weak area, can take their breath away, can really hurt them. So I'm here, I pivot, and I snap it in quick. We're stabbing almost, stab that body. I'm gonna slow that back down. I'm gonna do a few more reps. Notice how at the end of the kick, I exhale, I tighten up my core, I deliver strong. A couple more. Follow the foot right in that target. See how the bag impacts, nice and tight, in a precise area. All right, so now the front push kick. I like to teach this stepping into our opponent because we're really trying to get our weight and momentum going forward into them. So I'm a little bit at a distance. I step. This time, instead of pointing the knee and shooting at my target, I'm gonna bring my knee to the chest and go flat-footed facing the bag already. Boom! Hard one to hold, so I'm just gonna show it quickly. Then, as I drive the foot into the kick, I'm gonna dip my shoulders back to drive my hips and energy in. All right, so let me reset that. It's kind of medium speed there. But now we're going for big power. I step, I drive, I land back down. Good, so it's resetting. Good, resetting. So now, from one to the other. Front snap kick first. Stop that bag, front push kick next. So as you can see, they do different things. One is precise, like a surgical instrument, like a scalpel getting in there, and the other one is like a big blunt object, a baseball bat, a hammer, pushing them away. They're both super effective. I wouldn't say use one over the other. I would say learn both and use both. They are very different, so make sure you're practicing with the proper technique. Thank you guys, appreciate you. If you have any questions, reach out. My email is below. Send me a message on Instagram, Facebook. Everything is pretty much Ben Lightning Acosta on any of those platforms. Thank you all very much. I look forward to the next one.